Hey guys, welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. Today we're showing you this laminator. So laminators are great for many things, you know, if you're a school teacher, if you are someone who does business, or if you just want to laminate your personal stuff like your insurance card and other stuff. Laminating is a lot of fun. So let's see, they give you some laminating paper, they give you a manual. I like this one already, I can see, is because it's small and compact. Some of the big ones, you know, they're great for big paper, but I like small and compact, and this one is definitely it. So, this is what it looks like. You know, nothing to go, oh wow, about. You know, laminators are basically all the same, except this one is smaller and compact, which makes it nice. Letters, you can do A4, A5, you know, you can put in full-size paper right through there. You have your power on and off on the front. So let's go ahead and plug this in and actually test this out for you guys. Do some laminating. So you have two different powers. You have, well, two different buttons settings. So what you're going to want to do on here is you're going to press where it shows two lines down. So you're going to have it on that way, and then it's going to be red, and that means it's going to heat up. So once it's done heating, it should be either red and green, or it will be just green, letting you know that it's ready to be laminated, you know, whatever you're using. So as a demonstration, we're just going to use a page from the manual and show you guys how this works right here. So I will jump ahead and show you guys how it's working. While that's heating up, let's show you guys how the paper actually works. So the paper is double layered, and you just basically peel, which it helps if you have nails. You peel it apart like this, and you place your paper down in. Make sure you try and get it flat, so kind of line it up, and try and get it flat and smooth. And then once you're ready, you can go ahead and laminate. So it turned green. That didn't take long at all. And now you just want to kind of line it up and feed it through. Once you feed it to the point, it will automatically start doing it on its own. So right now, it's pulling it in, it's laminating all by itself. So now you just wait until it comes out the other end. If it does get jammed, you have this button on the back that you can press to try and unjam it, but it shouldn't get jammed. Just try and keep it straight when you put it through. So far, it seems like it's working really well. Yeah, it's nice. All right, guys, and it's done. That actually worked very well. Very, very nice. And then you guys can just cut. So you got two options here. You can cut it down to the size. Always leave just a little bit of laminating over. You can cut it down to size, and then what you can do is you can then actually rerun it through the heat if you want. So basically, you cut it down right as, you know, not right against the paper, but close, and then you can either rerun it through, or you just cut it down a little bit and you don't have to run it through again. But yeah, guys, it works great. It gets a Scott pass from me.